When I say that I was not prepared for any of this, I mean that I was not prepared for any of this.
Player, this pimp don't lie. How many rap stars you know that went to Berkeley High? I'm always with a cup of bourbon. I'm in here choosing, you up here searching.
Welcome to the show, everybody. It's me, Ben, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today, I'm very late to this one, but I'm still excited to hop into it because I've had a ton of friends tell me that I need to see this. This is a brand new video from YEZI, but I don't actually know off the top of my head what it's called. I could have sworn one of my friends said it was like meow or something. So we'll obviously find out as we go. There's a fly in my room and it's pissing me off and I can't do anything about it, but hey, welcome back. I'm excited to hop into this one, y'all. I've heard some good things about this one and I've heard some interesting things about this one. So we're gonna get to it and decide for ourselves. Let's get straight to it, man. No need for any more introduction. Let's get to it. 3, 2, 1, click and play. That's a cute little cat. Ooh. She is so gorgeous. Ugh. She's got her name on her phone case. That's dope. I thought those sounds in the beginning were just sort of for fun, but they're actually part of the song, aren't they? When I say that I was not prepared for any of this, I mean that I was not prepared for any of this. The song itself, her, I was not prepared for any of this. So we're just along for the ride. And we're just going for it. I think the extra animations on screen are crazy. Look awesome. Yeah, it might be called Meow. This beat slaps. And her energy is Ooh. Again with the crawling. Bro, what am I supposed to say? You. Y'all. She wants me dead. Consider me mesmerized, whipped. I can't. I feel so guilty that I didn't make time to react to this when it came out, bro. That was awesome. That was awesome. It was shocking, edgy, and more than anything else, expressive. She was expressive there. Beat slapped. She was constantly changing the tone of her voice to like reflect a different part of the mood that she was feeling. That's a really, really, really impressive track. And it's sexy as hell. She's sexy as hell. But that's pretty much it for me, y'all. I hope y'all got the reaction out of me that you wanted, because wow. That was really good. That's a playlist. That's a playlist for sure. Oh wow, she executed that so well. That's it for me, bro. Thank y'all for watching the video. Like I said, I really apologize that I'm a day or two. I might even be like 3 days late at this point. So I do apologize for that, but good Lord. She's absolutely gone and just eaten that. That was fire. It's such a hot music video. Look, I'm done. Thank y'all for watching. I'm gonna get out of here before I say something stupid. Thank you for watching. Oh, y'all stream this song and support her, please. Oh, please. Wow. Wow. That's it for me. Till next time. Love y'all very much. And peace. Bye.